Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Halloween themed video. I know it's sort of last minute, but I wanted to try to get something Halloween up for you guys before the holiday came. I know this is like the big Halloween weekend, so I hope this gives you some inspiration if you have any Halloween parties coming up this weekend, and then of course Halloween coming up next week. To be honest, this video is really just an excuse for me to try on and try out my costumes, my makeup, all of that. So I'm gonna be winging everything. Haven't really planned or practiced anything for any of these looks yet. So we're just gonna play and see what goes. I'm gonna be showing you my two main Halloween looks I'm doing this year. They were both like super easy to put together, really inexpensive, so there you go. Let's go ahead and get into the first one. Just using my sunglasses to hold back my hair here. Okay, so the first look we're going to be playing around for is going to be Barbie. Connor and I are gonna be Barbie and Ken, and I'm pretty excited. Obviously, we need a lot of pink going on in my makeup here. I am seriously not good at makeup, so we'll see how this goes. So I already have my base on and like just a touch of makeup just that I threw on so I could film the intro to this. And now we play. So, okay, so I have a few sort of brighter pink blushes. I have this one from Tarte, but it doesn't go on as bright as it looks, and this one from IT Cosmetics, which does go on as bright as it looks. I think I'll start with the creamy guy and see how that goes and sort of take it from there. Should I do some contour? Probably. We're just gonna use this. So this video is really not meant to be a tutorial or anything. It's just to give you ideas and sort of walk you through how I'm doing it, but nothing like too extensive. There's a little contour, that's good. In with some blush now. Okay, actually pretty cute. I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna be using this Urban Decay Born to Run palette because it has tons of fun colors in here, including some purples and pinks, which is obviously needed for a Barbie look. And I'm gonna start with a purple on a big old fluffy brush and work that into my crease. Let's grab some of this pink color. Okay, I wish that purple was a bit more purpley. Like I feel like it just turned into a sort of like muddy brownish color. So I think I'm gonna grab the highlighter that I always use, this middle one here, and just tap that right on top. I think we'll do that pink color under our eyes as well. I sort of want to slightly bump up the pink on my cheeks, so I'm just going to use this pink blush that I pulled. Mascara. And a lip, of course. I'm going to start with this. This is from Sugar Rush, so Tarte. This color is called Cake Pop. And then I have this other Tarte H2O gloss that I'm gonna put on. Barbie pink lips. Okay, let me show you this makeup look in some better lighting over here. Okay, here's the vibe. I think I like it. I would probably change up the eyes a little bit the next time I did it, just because I don't love the way that first purple color went on. But overall, I feel like it's a pretty cute look. And now an exciting part, a blonde wig. Okay, moved into the bathroom for this, so we're getting serious. And I actually haven't even opened this wig yet. It is from insert name here. That's blonde. I am so excited to play with this wig, you guys. Tara's like yelling at me that I should be a blonde, so she'll love it. Oh my god, this looks so funny. I'm dead. Oh, I can't wait to play with her. Oh. Oh my god, it's getting stuck in my lip gloss. Are you guys dying? I'm sort of dying. Barbie. Wowza. I don't really think bangs are my look, but that's okay. It's Barbie! Okay, so I have to be honest, with the whole outfit on, I feel a little bit more like Britney Spears than Barbie, but that means it's versatile, right? So let me give you the lowdown on this fit. So obviously I'm wearing these bright pink pants. These are from Dolls Kill. I already had them in my closet from my costume last year when I was Baby Spice. And I thought they were the perfect addition to this outfit. I like that they're pants, so they're sort of more comfy than like a little skirt or whatever. And the inside of them aren't this like latex material. It's a lot nicer inside, so it's not uncomfortable. Love those. And then I just paired it with this top. I think this is just from Urban or something. It's just a little wrap top that I've tied up in the back. Really simple. I just thought like a white top would be easy to wear on top here. For shoes, I'm trying to keep it pretty comfortable because, you know, during Halloween, you're like out and about and doing things. So I just put on these white sneakers. They have little pink tongues on them, so I thought that that would be good. And then to accessorize, and I think this is what pushes us more towards Barbie than like Britney Spears. I found these cute pink heart sunglasses on Amazon for like a really reasonable price. And so you can just wear those. I feel like that makes us a little bit more into Barbie. Cute. And then for my bag, I just have this cute little pink purse. Obviously, the more pink, the better when it comes to Barbie. And there you have it. This is my completed look. I feel like this is a really nice, easy look to do because most people have something pink in their closet. Super easy. And now Barbie has like tons of different hair colors. She sort of always did, but like now especially, like Barbie is really diverse. And so really anyone could be a Barbie. You don't even need the blonde wig if you don't want to. I do wish I had a shirt that said Barbie across it, but I couldn't find any ones that I thought would actually look good. So I sort of said forget it, but if you can find a cute little Barbie shirt, I think that that would be perfect because obviously that lets everyone know who you are. But there you go, Halloween costume number 1. And we're back to play with some more makeup and see how it goes. Put my base back on, took all that Barbie makeup off, and for this look, we are being a devil. Connor and I are gonna be devils together, I think on actual Halloween. I'm gonna be an all red devil, he's gonna be an all black devil. Yeah, and that's what we're doing. So for this eye look, I'm definitely gonna use this Urban Decay Born to Run palette again because they have some of these really fun, like reddish orangey colors up in here. And for this, we are gonna go for something quite bold, I think. So I think I'm gonna start with this orangey color here and just plop that into my crease. Pretty good. And now I'm definitely going to use some of this Double Life color here. Look at that. It's like a really pretty coppery color. And I'm just gonna put that on. Oh yeah, I love that. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I think I'll take some of this gold color here. Oh, that felt so soft on my finger. And just tap that across my lid and then back in with that Double Life because that took away a lot of that color and that's not what my intention was. Let me grab that blending brush again with that same orangey color and just make sure everything is blended really well. It's getting sort of dark. I'm gonna turn the light on 1 second. Okay, there we go. I know the lighting's a little different now, but it's getting dark. It's getting late. Okay, I just wanna smoke this up a little bit with a little bit of this black color in the palette. And I'm just applying that with a really light hand because I don't want it to be crazy. Just a little drama. There you go. Oh no, my camera's dying. Let me fix this. Okay, we're back. Everything is better. Gonna take that same coppery color right underneath my eyes. This would probably be an ideal time to do some winged eyeliner, but that just seems like too much for me. And maybe a touch of that orange under there as well. Mascara. We're gonna contour again. Bronze it up even more. This is like the most red blush I have, I think. And lips, duh, we need to do a red. I'm gonna use this one from Tarte called Miami Vice. There you go. Now for this hair, we have clip-in devil horns. So what I'm going to do is pull my hair back like this on each side and bobby pin it. That way my little devil horns have something to anchor themselves onto. So I'm just gonna position these here. Cute. Voila, devil horns are on. Let's go get dressed. Here is our adorable devil costume, if I do say so myself. So basically to put together this look, like I said, I wanted to be an all red devil, so I just found this red bodysuit. This was actually from Valentine's Day last year. And then I just bought this tulle skirt off of Amazon. It was really affordable, and went ahead and just layered it with this skirt underneath. It was like the closest to a red skirt I had, and obviously this is see-through, so it needed some layering. But I think that works perfectly. You really can't tell that it's under there. And then I have some all red shoes coming, but they haven't arrived yet, so I just paired them with some black shoes, which I think would be fine also. And then I found these really cool red sunglasses. Please check out how cool these are. I just feel like they're so fun for this Halloween look. Of course, I have my little devil horns on, and this is the completed look. I think it's such a fun combo of like fun and cute, and again, super easy to put together with stuff in your closet, because one, you could be an all black devil like Connor's being. I'm assuming everyone owns a black shirt and a black bottom, and then all you need are the black devil horns. Easy to find on Amazon. I'll have a pair linked down below, and maybe some black sunnies. Or if you have like an all red dress, even just a red top, and you could do black bottoms. I saw lots of people online doing that. So again, it's just really versatile, easy to put together, I think. And I am so excited for this look. Alrighty guys, there you go. That is the end of this video. I hope it gave you some ideas, and I hope you just had fun watching me play around, because I had a lot of fun testing out these looks. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, both the makeup that I used, my costume items, all of that will be down below, and most of the stuff is from Amazon, so you can definitely order it and get it by this weekend. Also comment down below what you're going to be for Halloween, and also if we're going to be costume twins after you saw this video, because that would be awesome. And I'll see you guys next week back on my channel.